Hey Colo, can you take us back to the moment you found out that you're in a bit of trouble? Can you take us back to that exact moment when you found out and how you found out?
I was in my bedroom before the game against Aston Villa. The manager came with the doctor. They both came in my bedroom, and I was like, why the manager and the doctor was there for me? Maybe I thought that maybe the manager wanted to talk to me about the game, and then they start to talk about to ask me, and the doctor asked me, Colo, do you take something, And I said, yeah, I'm taking Herbalife, And then the manager asked me, Colo, do you take anything who make you go to the toilet, make pee-pee a lot? I said yes, and that's when I just realized that it was this little tablet. That's when I really realized it was that, because for me, I didn't know that this thing wasn't allowed for player to don't take it. I've been really unlucky to be took in that things, because I'm not that kind of person, and the only thing who really hurt me on that thing is, one day I was in my house, and my little girl came home from the school, and she just she was nearly crying because she said that some of her friends from the school, just tell her your daddy taking drug, it was difficult, and she said, yeah, my dad is not like that, That's really, really hurt me, because, I think there is a difference between a project, what I took, a diet project, and a drug, because when you are drug, it's like taking cocaine or anything like that. For young kids, they don't know. When they say drug, they think about cocaine, they think about those bad things. And that really, really hurt me, because can you imagine which effect that could have to my little girl, and she was crying, and I just explained her that it was nothing, blah, blah, and I had a word with the school, blah, blah, blah. But I don't blame the kids, but I just think that, when that kind of things happen, they need to make the difference between diet pill, and something, because even in my country, people was shocked, when they heard drug, drug in French, drug is different from, when you say drug here is a tablet, but when you say drug in our countries, in Africa or in Ivory Coast, in French, it means cocaine, that kind of substance, and that was the only difficult part, I was in big shock, and I went to see the Gary Cook, all the guys, and they just explained me what was the process, when you get in that kind of situation, there is a lot of process, But for me, it was difficult. It's difficult when things come and you didn't mean to do that. It's just a big shock. That's why I just want to explain, and I just want to speak with my heart, because I just want to say what happened. I don't want to hide myself or anything like that. I just want to say what happened. It was difficult, and I just realized that how much we are lucky to be a football player and to be able to play for a football team like City.